Okay, so we're under the car, and this is where I pull the sensor off of. You can see that's where it is. You can see all of this oil is getting on it. I realized that the oil filter had came loose, so I had to change it. This is a brand new one. The old one on it was all the way loose, and I guess all the oil was splashing all over the bottom of the car. You got on the sensor, and that's where I started getting that coat from. So yeah, I gotta clean this up, and then I gotta wait for this sensor to come in to get it changed. Alright, so I just came home. I got a sensor in the mail, so I decided to go ahead and let's get it over with. One of this car, change the sensor out. So this is what I'm about to do. Gotta jot the car up. Okay, so I got my O2 upstream sensor right here, and this is what I just bought. Just got in the mail to put in. So yeah, I just got off work, so I'm working in the dark. So just got a mind. So now I gotta get back under the car. It took me a while to. You can see it took me a while to get this out. I had to use some penetrating spray and use the O2 tool remove to take it off. I'm gonna try to set this up so y'all can see. Alright. This is a new auto sensor. Just put it. You can see. I'm trying to get a good angle where the light is shining. It's right there. Over. There it goes. It's over here. You see, that's the only. This is a tricky thing about it. It's saying this is supposed to be the upstream sensor, but for some reason it seems this is the downstream O2 sensor. This I thought it was supposed to have four, but it only has two. It has one in the engine, and then it has this one right here. So yeah, let's see what happens though when I start it up. And this is where I was getting the oil leak from. I just changed out the filter and clean it up. As you can see, I put a new bulb on it, but it was leaking oil and it was splashing over the oil sensor, and that was giving me the mixture that is saying that the seal mixture is too rich or something. I'll see if it makes a difference. So let's see what happens. Okay, once it was finished with the car, I went ahead and drove around the block to see if it made a difference. Prior to changing the sensor on it and getting that code, the car was giving me a delay. Like the engine was not responding the way it normally does. So I was getting like a delay in the response, and it was like jerking once I hit the high once I hit the RPM, it would jerk. So I was seeing if it would make a difference. It actually did. So I drove the car for like a day and a half before the code came back up. It came back up and I cleared it, and I pretty much been driving it ever since, and it's been pretty much doing good. So I guess that actually fixed it. But I did change the map sensor and the TPS sensor prior to changing this O2 sensor. So